Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Excursions Vallarta. Today we're gonna do some excursion in a nice yacht. As you can see, this yacht is for renting. So if you want to have a great day on the ocean, email me and I give you more information about the renting of yacht here in Puerto Vallarta. Today I'm with my family, so it's gonna be a nice Sunday here on the bay here in Puerto Vallarta, and it's gonna be great. Let's go. So this is the yacht. This is the boat. It's amazing. It's very equipped. It's fully equipped. So yeah, it's amazing. As you can see, the bed. Yeah, it's totally amazing. And there is a little window here, so you can watch what's going on over there. Yeah, it's amazing. You must do a trip like this in Puerto Vallarta at least once. There is more space here. More space for the kids, I think. And it's air conditioned, and there's more space here and up there. It's simply amazing, this boat. My friend Esteban invited me to know his boat. It's available for rent. If you want more information, please contact me and I give you a nice price. But this is luxury, this is great service, and they are about to get ready everything for fishing on the bay. But meanwhile we are enjoying the trip. So this is amazing. It's worth it, every penny that you're gonna spend here. Believe me, it's amazing. Obviously it has a bedroom. Like I told you, this is full equipment, so bedroom, okay? And everything is air conditioned inside. So if you want to see some TV, that you don't need the TV here. Like, why to waste your time watching TV? But for the kids, maybe if they want to be or to get a nap, this is great, okay? And well, this is the area, like the living room, and over there in the front, it's amazing. It's amazing to take. If you want to take the sun bath, it's amazing. Hi friends, that's all for now. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Don't forget to share and like the video, okay? If you want more information about this yacht, please go to my website, send me a message, or email me, okay? I'm gonna give you the details, the price, and more information, and I'm going to help you how to set up a nice boat day here in Puerto Vallarta, okay? See you, bye bye.